Today we had an SDLG open house program for which we received customers from different corteses, introducing them to our models we have on the SDLG. It has been a good day. We shared customers' experiences and also introduced them to our models mainly we have. We spoke to them on the wheel loaders, we spoke to them on the SDLGs, backhoe, we spoke to them on the graders, we spoke to them on the rollers. It has been a good day for all of us. Customers were happy, so as we were also happy.
I'm Daniel Olaku Ozor, project manager for Tarub Construction and Mining Limited. We were privileged to acquire SDLG, two wheel loaders and a backhoe, which we use for the past 2 years. They've been very reliable, very efficient, and I recommend this to anybody in the construction business or any customer to come and buy because they are very, very good and very reliable.
My name is Jonathan Lomo. My company is JL Company Limited. So far in the SDLG machine, my company na Juma, my better machine, my 3 machines. So far, my use machine is almost 6 to 7 years. A very nice machine, a very nice product. Make a problem. By next week, next week almost by 30th. In Sabah, Fabako. A one per machine is very nice. My colleague been almost introduced me. It's almost far away from company no more. It's a machine a bois pa company no so yɛ damase. Ɔsɛ mo so mo de saa adwuma yɛ abagana ha ama yɛ mo nso no ɛboa yɛ wɔ system no mo. Nti na metumi aka no sɛ machine a very good machine. Nti obiara na gyim bia ɔba befa ma no nso machine no ɛbɛboa no pa.
My name is Charles Owusu, the CEO of Charusa Ventures Limited. We are into mining construction, and basically we use the 956 to load the crusher at AG or Boise, and it's very efficient and very good when it comes to fuel. So it's an efficient and effective machine for our operations, and I recommend it for anyone.